To be honest, I always miss our hometown. Those little streets, the smell of freshly baked baguettes, and the sound of kids running around the park.
Yeah, I get it. Me? I only remember the roadside pubs, the smoky smell of grilled meat and ice-cold beer. For some reason, those things are glued to my youth.
Are you always thinking about food and drink, Set? Hometown isn't just that, it's the people, the warmth.
I know. But grilled meat and cold beer might sound rough. Yet somehow, they feel warm too. Especially when you're gathered with friends.
So for you, hometown means hanging out and eating, while for me it's quiet afternoons, watching rain fall on old tiled roofs.
That does sound romantic. But do you remember the times I dragged you to catch fish in the stream?
Haha, of course. That time you slipped and got soaked from head to toe. But I swear, the scenery around us was so beautiful, I've never forgotten it.
See? Even accidents turn into beautiful memories. That's what hometown is, funny and warm all at once.
Everyone feels their hometown differently, and maybe the most important thing is that feeling of coming home, even if it's only in our memories.
I agree. To me, hometown isn't just where you were born, it's where you feel free, where you can truly be yourself.
Don't you feel lucky that we can sit here like this, drinking coffee, talking about anything, without a single worry?
Lucky? Absolutely. Still, one day I want to go back home, sit in front of a bread oven, drink cold beer, and watch everyone smiling.
And I'll be right beside you, watching you happy, whether it's the smell of fresh bread or cold beer.
So, right now, you're promising to make new hometown memories with me, aren't you?
Exactly. It's not just remembering, it's creating moments worth remembering, together.
Deal. Hometown isn't only where we were born anymore, it's where we live and laugh together.
To hometown, memories, and all the moments yet to come.
I promise next time I won't drag you into the stream again, or at least I'll try.
I'm looking forward to seeing just how hard you try.
All right, I'll do my best.
This week has been crazy. Morning yoga, work, evening English classes. I feel like a little squirrel that never stops running.
A squirrel? That's hilarious. My weeks feel like boxing matches. Morning gym, work, then evenings. I sleep like I'm recovering from a knockout round.
I'm actually jealous. Every time you say recovering, I can tell you're really enjoying life, while I'm just chasing deadlines.
Honestly, I get tired too, but I've learned to turn exhaustion into fun. Like after the gym, I treat myself to a huge smoothie.
Smoothie? Let me guess you call it muscle reward?
Spot on. Muscles need nutrition too. Look at me battling the gym and work all week, then sitting here on the weekend. Everything feels worth it.
I really admire how you balance work and hobbies. Sometimes I have to remind myself, stop, breathe, and enjoy this cup of coffee.
Exactly. Savoring the little moments is what matters most. Like today, coffee, pastries, forgetting every deadline.
I love the way you see life. Simple, cheerful, yet still serious about the important things.
And you're always a bit too serious. But I'll admit, that's exactly why you finish everything perfectly.
Maybe, but sometimes I want to learn how to let go like you.
It's not hard. Start by ignoring junk emails. Then treat yourself to a chill afternoon like this one,
Haha, sounds tempting, but I'm afraid the moment I try, deadlines will catch me instantly.
That's when you use my secret deadline fighting move. Drink coffee, breathe deeply, and smile wide.
I'll try, if you agree to be my slow living coach.
Deal. This week, I'll teach you some killer chill skills. In exchange, you teach me how to manage schedules without stressing out.
Seriously, Set, this contract feels pretty official, but I'm in.
Haha, perfect. We just upgraded our quality of life without abandoning responsibilities.
And sometimes, just sitting here talking with you already makes this whole week worth living.
Exactly. Life isn't just work, it's the moments that make us feel truly alive.
So, next week, shall we try creative resting together? Work and enjoy life at the same time.
Agreed. Cheers to a new week that's both productive and chill.
And I'll remember this lesson. Life isn't just chasing work, it's savoring every single moment.
Looks like we're officially balance of life experts now.
Hey, Set. I still remember last week when you told us about dropping the barbell at the gym.
That was an unfortunate accident. I can't control all these muscles.
Haha, terrifying muscles. Watching you, I felt like I was in a real-life action movie.
Looks can be deceiving. I'm protecting the world, or at least this cafe.
Protecting it by dropping weights on the floor? Truly an unconventional superhero.
Unconventional but effective. At least I get everyone's attention. And see? We're still alive to tell the tale.
Survived? Yes. But I think the cafe should get insurance for the coffee cups too.
Deal. But admitted accidents like that keep life from getting boring.
True! I'll tell everyone, Set is the coffee superhero, mighty and gloriously chaotic.
Sounds about right, but don't forget, every superhero needs a mischievous sidekick.
Oh, I agree. And your sidekick might tease you a little.
Tease me? I'm Set. Who dares tease me?
Whoever dares will face Set's muscular revenge, but I'll laugh first and run away.
I love your hit and grin style. That's what makes everything fun and alive.
So, besides gym and work, we're also manufacturing pure joy energy.
Exactly. Life isn't just serious, it's about creating moments that make ourselves and others laugh.
Remember the other day when I saw you trying that viral dance? I thought I'd have to call an ambulance.
Tradition. Lux. I just wanted to give it a shot, and ended up banging my head on the table.
Classic Set, always strong, but with a dash of beautiful chaos.
Chaotic but lovable. And you, Lux, are the one who makes everything more exciting.
So the conclusion is, no matter what happens, as long as we have each other, everything's okay.
Couldn't say it better. And I promise next time I'll try another dance trend, but I'll stay away from tables and coffee cups.
I hope you keep that promise. Though I have to admit, watching your chaos is pretty entertaining.
That's what life is. Serious and silly, coffee and friends.
Looking at this afternoon sunlight, everything feels so light, and I feel lucky for moments like these.
Yeah, sipping coffee, laughing, chatting nonsense. This is what a real weekend feels like.
Cheers to a happy weekend, to silly stories, and to Set the chaotic superhero.
And I promise to make next week even more fun.
I believe you. Together, we'll turn tiny moments into big memories.
Perfect. Life, work, and all our random stories. Everything is worth smiling about and enjoying.